If you're a small business owner searching for ERP, you may be frustrated with the experience. Hopefully this video will help you improve your shopping efforts. ERP is such a general term, so I want to categorize it into more clear or concise terms. I look at it this way. You've got lightweight inventory management software, robust inventory management software, e-commerce software, forecasting software, then finally your true enterprise software. So which one are you looking for? I think a good place to start, which has been a proven measuring stick for me when helping our clients find inventory software or ERP, is to first start with looking at your annual. If you're between $3 to $5 million, you're looking at, you should be searching for lightweight inventory software. If you're making somewhere between 5 to 15 million a year, then robust inventory management software is where you should be looking. If you're doing somewhere between 20 to 50 million a year and you're a wholesale distributor or wholesale distribution company or a manufacturer, then your true enterprise software should be where you're looking. Now, those other two categories I mentioned, e-commerce and forecasting software, those don't really apply to those measuring sticks. They have a different measuring stick. The measuring stick for e-commerce is more about how many shopping carts do you have, how many marketplaces are you in, how many EDI trading partners do you have, what's your volume like, how many fulfillment centers or 3PLs are you leveraging. If those numbers are high, then you can categorize yourself as an e-commerce company and you should be looking for e-commerce software. The other category, forecasting software that I mentioned, that is software that helps you decide what to purchase and assure that you keep your inventory levels to a healthy level. Forecasting software is something you need if you have more of an unpredictable market. Reorder points are not working for you. Reorder points, your safety stock, reorder point, and maximum levels are more of set, predefined healthy stock levels and need to be adjusted frequently. If your sales are seasonal, for instance, you may want to consider forecasting software. Now, forecasting software plugs into inventory management software. It plugs into e-commerce software. It plugs into your true enterprise software. So now that I've hopefully helped you think about this in a different way and sort of categorize these software programs differently, let's talk about the names of these software programs in each category, and you can start searching for these names and hopefully have a better shopping experience. So if you're between the $1 to $3 million mark and you're looking for lightweight inventory management software, the names of the software in this market that we've found when helping our clients are Inflow for one, Katana, Ordero, SOS Inventory, and Wherefore. All great software programs. I wouldn't say one is better than the other. You just need to find the one that's right for you. Now let's talk about the names of the robust inventory software programs. These are the ones that are good for companies that are wholesale distribution or manufacturing or both, and you're doing between 5 to 15 million a year, and maybe even up to 20, but definitely 5 to 15 million a year. So you're looking for Fishbowl Inventory, Mises Manufacturing if you're heavy manufacturing, right? Advanced Pro Tech, Activate, that has two C's, ACCIVATE. Order Times, another one by Number Cruncher, great software, robust software. Deer Systems, which is now known as Sin7 Core, is a great, robust online inventory management software. And then Unleashed is maybe lesser known because it's more global and hasn't made its way that much into the United States yet, but is definitely should be on the consideration list for robust inventory management software. So there's your lightweight, your robust. Now let's look at your e-commerce software, if that's the category you're in. The e-commerce software in the small business market is SKU Vault, Finale Inventory, Sin7 Omni, Seller Cloud, and then what used to be known as Skubana and is now known as Extensive. All of these are good candidates for e-commerce companies who do high volume, leveraging fulfillment centers, 3PL centers. Some of these e-commerce software programs are robust warehouse management as well, and even light manufacturing as well. So next on the category is your true ERP, what I call the enterprise software. Now the difference between this software and the light inventory management software and the robust inventory management software is true enterprise software replaces or can completely replace QuickBooks, your accounting software. The inventory management software programs don't replace QuickBooks. They rely on QuickBooks. They need QuickBooks to in order for your company to fully function and accomplish everything you need to accomplish, record everything you need to record. So enterprise software, that's the biggest difference between the IMS and the ERP, is enterprise software can completely replace your accounting software. It's got the CRM, the accounting, and the inventory management all in one. So what are some good considerations for a small business owner to look at when shopping for ERP? We're looking at Odoo and Acumatica. Those are some two big players recently that has entered the market in recent years. And then, of course, your more legacy software that's been around for a while, NetSuite, Sage, and Microsoft Dynamics. These are your true ERP software programs that if you've now grown out of the IMS, you've grown out of your robust inventory management programs, or you've grown out of your e-commerce software, this is the area that you should look at. If you're wholesale distribution, manufacturing, you're doing somewhere between 20 to 50 million a year. Look at Odoo, Acumatica, NetSuite, Sage, or Microsoft Dynamics. Or if you're e-commerce and you've grown out of your e-commerce software, you're probably somewhere around the $200 million range, because those e-commerce software programs can take you pretty far. So now what about the other one I mentioned? These software programs sometimes also advertise themselves as ERP or inventory software programs, and I personally categorize them as purchasing or forecasting software. So the names of these software programs are GMDH Streamline, Inventory Planner, Stock Trim, NetStock, that's a popular one you may have heard of, and Cogsy. And then one of my personal favorites, Conversite. Conversite is a personal favorite because it integrates with Fishbowl well. And here at Brando Consulting, we primarily do Fishbowl implementations, as well as help those that are growing out of Fishbowl and growing out of other inventory management softwares programs to find the right ERP. And of course, we help those who are just shopping for inventory management to find the right one. So Conversite and these other forecasting and purchasing software programs, these plug in to inventory management programs, and they plug into ERP to help you reduce stockouts and overstock. These programs even auto-create purchase orders. So if you have an unpredictable market, those are the ones: GMDH Streamline, Inventory Planner, Stock Trim, NetStock, Cogsy, and Conversite. So hopefully this helped you sort of narrow down your search and pointed you in the right direction, help categorize what you're looking for. If you're still struggling, of course, reach out to us. We offer assessment services, selection services that help companies find the right inventory management software or ERP. To see demos of some of these software programs, be sure to subscribe to our channel, check out our playlists. We've got some demos of some of these software programs we'll be coming out with. Be sure to like if this was helpful, and comment below if you have any questions or would like to share your shopping experiences, maybe have an opinion about some of these software programs. Feel free to comment below.